In this session, we'll be sitting for 20 minutes.
Bit of a situation to start the morning. My electric razor died mid-shave. Half of my face is shaved, half is not. Here's the aftermath right here. What would you even do? I think it's charging, but I mean, what would you even do if you had half a shaved face? Would you go into work? Would I work remote? I really don't know what I would do, so I'm really hoping that it's charging right now. Another day in the life. We are walking into the office as we speak. You guys see my morning routine. We wake up early, 5 a.m., we get the workout and we do the meditation. I didn't always have these habits, and in order to sustain this level of output and work ethic each and every day, you need to have energy. You need to treat your mind right and your body right, and by waking up early, by working out, by moving, by facing resistance and fighting that urge of, wow, it feels comfy in my bed. And trust me, I wake up and say, I don't know how I'm gonna go outside. It's gonna be cold outside. I always used to say, I don't have the time. I don't feel like it. It's too hard. Until one day I said, I gotta make the time. If I don't make the time, no one's gonna make the time. And if you don't have 10 minutes each morning, you don't have a life. We closed the laptop. It is 6:06 p.m. on a Tuesday evening. And I just feel a sense of pride. I feel like I really put in a hard day's work. We went from start to finish, very minimal breaks in between. And to be quite honest with you, it's easy to show off on social media and say, oh, look how hard I'm working. Oh, look at my Lambos in my garage. Oh, look how much money I'm making on Robinhood, whatever it may be. It's easy to really virtue signal with these social media sites, and that's the last thing I'm trying to do with my videos showing a day in the life. I truly am giving a background look from start to finish, from the time I wake to the time I end the video. And to be quite honest, about an hour and a half ago, I was really thinking, wow, I'm pretty hungry. I would like to go home and make dinner and just chill. But then I had this thing inside me that says, you can do more, don't end early, and what do you need to do right now that will set you up for success tomorrow and really put you in the best position to execute this month, this quarter? And I said, okay, I gotta send my follow-ups. I gotta put together my proposal. Because here's the thing about working in sales, guys, is you have golden hours throughout the day from 9 a.m. local time to 5 p.m. local time. You only have a finite amount of hours in the day that are technically normal to be calling prospects and customers, to be setting up meetings. So you should be hyper-focused throughout the course of the day, spending your time doing outbound activities or reaching out to people to speak with them. You shouldn't be speaking with friends on the phone. You should be calling prospects or customers. And then in the early hours and the later hours, and I know it's not what you want to hear, but in your own time, spend that time doing the prospecting. Spend that time putting together the proposals, doing the hard follow-ups that you don't want to do, because that puts you in the best position to succeed, because you're doing the activities that can be done regardless of time of the day at the right time, and you're saving the golden hours for the time you should be actually selling. I'm now sitting in that red chair that you just saw. If you've drinking water in the past 24 hours, go ahead and leave a like on this video now. We need some big thumbs up so more people see this message. I was speaking with a teammate today, and she said, I have to attend this training, and it's restricting my time throughout the day, my available time to sell. As salespeople, your time is so precious, and just note that rather than saying words like, I have to go do this thing, or they're making me attend this meeting, you need to reframe and say, I'm choosing to do XYZ. You own your time, you own your success. And ask yourself right now, what does success look like? What is your incentive? Is it to set more meetings? Is it to generate pipeline? Is it to close revenue? Or is it to attend trainings? Is it to attend internal company meetings? Is it to complete this work from home module that you have to do? Ask yourself, what do you need to do to be more successful? For me, as an account executive, I have a quarterly quota and I need to close revenue. I need to win deals and I need to make it happen. So I ask myself, based on every activity I'm doing, I say, how is this getting me closer to close revenue? And if I find myself on a meeting where I don't see a direct path to revenue, or if it isn't allowing me to help somebody else, I'll leave the meeting or I won't attend. I'm absolutely ruthless with my time. So I'd consider you to implement that in your own practice today. And also, the power of saying no. I make daily videos, I work in sales, I get a lot of inquiries from people on LinkedIn, on YouTube, in my sales job, and I love it. I love it. Those of you who reach out on LinkedIn with questions, keep doing it. I really enjoy the questions and I enjoy the dialogue. But a lot of people ask to set up time with me. A lot of people say, can we talk about this, or can you come help me with this? I like to help people. But if the activity does not lead to direct revenue, such as who has my money? If you just want to set up a 15-minute call to pick my brain, most likely I'm going to say no, because that's not going to help me close revenue. Although it will allow me to help somebody, I need to be very careful, because if I could spend those 15 minutes and help 100 of you rather than just one person, that's actually going to be better off for me and all of you and the whole. So that's what it's all about. Really, the takeaway from this video is time management. It's so easy to let it slip away from us. And I think the final takeaway, as we go mobile here, we're going to go mobile. We're going to walk around the office a little bit, and then we're going to wrap the video. Everyone in the world, no matter who you are, no matter where you're from, has 24 hours in a day. Okay? You have 24 hours. So you decide how you spend your time, and throughout the day, that's what we're talking about, time management in a professional setting. Make sure to focus your time, the prime time, on selling and doing the activities that generate pipeline or your incentive. And then in the additional time, do the activities that you enjoy that help set you up for success. And to bring it back to the beginning of this video, I wake up early, I work out, I meditate, so that can put me in the right frame of mind to execute each and every day and be successful in my sales job. That's how I spend my time. That's how I view time management. And I wish you all the best in your own career and life in general. Let me know down in the comments down below how I can help. Go focus on the right activities this week to go close your revenue, generate pipeline, whatever you need to do. And we will talk to you in the next video. Of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and leave a like on the video. Bye.